Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be doing Nicka K eyebrow tutorial today. I promise you guys I will be doing that, so that's what this video is about. So I got this bin here where I have been hauling things and put it here. I mentioned this, you know, sometime couple videos ago, you know, where you put your eyeliner, lipsticks and this and whatsoever. So I got my bin in here. So today lip gloss I'm wearing today is Wet n Wild lip gloss Brilliance. Yeah, this one. That's what I'm wearing on my lips today. As you see, you guys, my hair is wrapped, and yeah. Okay, so today I got the Nicka K eyeliner pencil with sharpener. This one from the beauty supply store. It's either 99 cents or $1.49 or $1.99. It's not more than that, but I think I paid $1.49 for this. So it all depends where you go. $1.49. Let's say from 99 to $1.99, $2. Okay, so I purchased two as always, and this is in the, what color is this? It says dark brown. Okay, and which is my, hey, dark brown. So that's what we're gonna be doing. So you guys, as you see, I have my, you know, eyeliner on. My brow's still done, so I'm going to use my micellar water here just to clean my face, my eyebrows. Well, let me clean my face. So you guys, make sure you thumbs up my videos. You guys like and subscribe for some, you know, more videos coming up, you guys. So yeah, so that's what we're going to be doing. So you guys, if you don't want your eyebrows to be shiny or whatsoever, you can use powder. If you don't want to use powder, you can just go in straight, you know. But if you are very, very oily like me, make sure you use powder, you know, but not as much powder. Okay, so let's see here. I'm gonna take my brush, go to dip it, and then I'm just going to take some of the shine. If you are not oily like me, you can skip this step. But if you are oily like me and you don't want your eyebrows to be shiny, you can do this before or you can do it after. Okay, so that's that. So let's use our pencil now. So it comes with a sharpener, which is very, very good. Okay, so this is how it look. Okay, so now let's draw our brows. Okay, you guys, so I have my concealer brush here. I'm going to use the Nicka K concealer. Let's see how much is left here. So you guys, that's really nice. Looks like my Nicka Cake concealer is running out here. So I have to get some out of the brush. Alright you guys, so yeah, I am done. This pencil is not as deep as, you know, my other pencils are, according to what they said. This is dark brown, but as you can see, this is not a dark brown, but that's what they said, but that's what we're gonna go with. But yeah, I am done with this tutorial. Let me know what you think down in the comments. It's very, very simple, you guys. So what you think, let me know, you know. So yeah, normally I'll just go ahead and take my foundation brush and try to blend the concealer with my skin, so it will give me an even tone. It won't give me that ash lines or whatsoever. But yeah, I don't want to mess it up again. But you can literally do this in less than 10 minutes, you know. I know. And this is what I do when I go to work once my eyebrows is done, and basically, you know, lip gloss, sometimes lashes, sometimes don't. I just, as long as my brows are done, I'm good, basically. So yeah, you guys, my hair is not done, but your girl is ready to go to, you know, it's my hair. More tutorial coming up. My hair. See, my roots are coming back in, y'all. My roots are coming back in. And my hair. My hair. Look at that. My hair. So, yeah, my hair is growing, y'all. It is growing. I hope you guys watched the vlog before this one. Yeah, so you guys, that is it. Let me know what color you think I should dye my hair next. I was thinking about ginger color. What do you guys think? Thinking about ginger. Yeah. All right, so you guys, that is it for this tutorial. I think I have more tutorials coming up. I have LA Colors pencil, and also have you know, I have a lot coming up for you guys. So yeah, watch out for that video. But for now, this tutorial is over, y'all. It's over. Let me know what you think. You know, this is dark brown. I look at it as light brown or medium brown, but this is not the darkest, you know. So let me show you my darker eyeliner that I use daily. Yes, and I even use it on my lips too when I'm trying to line my lips as well. This is what you call dark. So the one that I use is like medium. That's not dark, but that's what they said on the thing here. It says dark, so that's what we're gonna go with. Okay, so yeah, so I will look for another one, y'all. But let me know what y'all think. But this tutorial is over, y'all. All right, I'll see y'all on my next one. Let me know what color hair should I dye my hair next, y'all. Bye.